Hey everybody, I'm sure you recognize this. This is garlic. Everybody likes this stuff, right? Yeah, you put it in, more garlic, more garlic. Well, of course using it in cooking and everything, but if you roast this little sucker, you get a whole new flavor, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So how are we going to do that? Well, first off, I'm going to take it, I'm going to peel off the outer layers, the skin, so just get to it and start peeling it off. Alright, now that we've got most of the outer skin off, all we're going to do is going to come in and we're going to cut just the tops of it off. So you're going to want to come in, cut them, cut off those tops. Now we got the top off, what we're going to do is we're going to take some aluminum foil, we're going to smack that right down in there, take a little bit of olive oil, use a good one for this, drop just a little bit on there, a little bit of salt, pepper if you like, I just do mine with salt. Now we're going to take this, wrap it on up, and I throw this sucker in the oven, 400 degrees for at least 40 minutes. The longer you go, the more roasted it's going to get. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. Now that we've finished all of our garlic, I'll show you, I did it a couple different ways so they can show you. I did let these cool off before you open them up because they do get kind of warm. Just take them out of the aluminum foil. Alright, so this one I went for, this is the 40-minute one, this is a 50-minute one, 60-minute, and this one went for a whole 75 minutes. You can see how it's much darker, much more caramelized. So, oh, that's the Maillard reaction. Sorry, that's a whole nother video, but don't worry, we'll bring that to you. So you can still see that these are soft, beautiful, smell amazing. So now that we have these, this would be great for pizza. You can put it on top of any kind of a pizza. You can use it in sauces, you can use it in soups, and a whole bunch of other things. I will have some videos coming up soon showing you how to use the roasted garlic. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, check us out on all your favorite social media. It's paulayoffood.com. Thank you so much. We make cooking fun.